In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion for your business. Notion can serve as an all-in-one business operating system for managing projects, clients, documents, processes, and team collaboration. So let's dive into how you can leverage Notion effectively to enhance your business operations. First and foremost, let's create a business dashboard. This will act as the central hub for all your business activities and information. Think of it as the command center where you can easily access and organize everything you need in one convenient place. Start by opening Notion and creating a new page. Label it Business Dashboard or something similar that resonates with the specific needs of your business. Now you want this dashboard to be as functional as possible. Consider incorporating sections such as upcoming tasks, daily checklists, or a calendar view to keep track of important dates and deadlines. The idea is to get a snapshot of your business's current status at a glance, so customize this page in a way that makes sense to you and the workflow of your team. An additional tip: utilize Notion's database feature to create columns and properties that cater to your business's specific requirements. This flexibility is what makes Notion so powerful. Next, let's talk about managing projects. Within your business dashboard, create dedicated pages or subpages for each project you're working on. This will allow you to dive deep into project details without cluttering your main dashboard. It can be useful to develop templates for common types of projects, as this streamlines the process whenever you start a new one. Don't forget to add sections like timelines, goals, and resources specific to that project. Also, use tags or labels to keep everything easily searchable and organized. Moving on to client management. Notion is an excellent tool for keeping track of your clients and their respective projects. You can create a separate database for client information. This database can include contact details, project lists, meeting notes, and any relevant files. By keeping all your client-related information together, you ensure nothing falls through the cracks. This also helps build strong client relationships because you'll have everything you need at your fingertips whenever communicating with them. Let's not forget about document management, which is another integral part of any business. You can create a library within Notion for storing and organizing important business documents like contracts, reports, and invoices. Notion offers collaboration features that allow you to share these documents with team members or clients easily. Plus, with its search functionality, you'll be able to locate any document in a matter of seconds. Lastly, on the topic of team collaboration, Notion makes it easy to collaborate with your team by adding them as members to your workspace. You can assign tasks, share project updates, and communicate within the platform. This ensures everyone stays in the loop and collaborates efficiently on projects or initiatives. Encouraging open communication and collaboration through Notion can significantly boost your team's productivity and creativity. By following these steps and tips, you should now have all the tools you need to start using Notion as an effective business management system. Experiment with different layouts and workflows to find what best suits your needs. Thanks for joining me today, and see you in the